Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the section Personalization. So as you can see here, we've got pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. They're categorized into different albums, so for example the nature patterns, Daydreams, Flora arrangement, soft light, etc. And here system wallpapers. So all you have to do is to find the wallpaper which you'd like to apply. So let me choose maybe this one. So just tap on the wallpaper and it will appear on the full screen. Here we've got also lock screen effect, so you can for example blur the option or choose the lens, glass, it's up to you. And if you're happy with the results, oh sorry, I forgot that you can actually change the position of the photo, so you can you can maneuver to obtain the result which you wish. So to confirm everything, simply tap on apply in the right upper corner, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.